I'm Ethan Fraley.
And I'm Garrett Wagner.
Today, we're going to be using the Tannerite. I got the catalyst.
And remember, everybody's safety is #1 priority. So we got our earplugs and we got our glasses.
Parental supervision, kids.
Yes, always have parents supervise you.
Hey, don't even do this.
Okay, first thing you're going to do is take your binary explosive Tannerite.
Take your
Get a funnel, a piece of paper, or just a normal funnel, and stick it in there.
Yep.
And then just pour it all. We're going to leave just a bit out.
Yeah.
Well, no, we aren't.
No.
So, Ethan, get ready to pour your catalyst in here.
We're going to pour it in there.
After your binary explosive in there, you get your catalyst.
I gotta use my mouth. My hands are slippery. Here, open it.
Again, don't use your mouth or anything. Tear this open.
Don't use it.
And
We're gonna use a knife. Right here.
yes, always be careful when using this. This is why you have parental supervision.
Yeah.
So then Ethan's gonna add that in and shake it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Now, you want to make sure the catalyst is coated all over the Tannerite.
It doesn't take a lot of shaking, but
No.
you always want to just make sure.
And then we want to pour it right back into the
Yes,
original
we're just
container.
gonna pour it back right into the original container, like Ethan said.
I'm gonna get a paper plate right here. Right here.
Yeah, it's really nice to dish over with paper plates. That way you don't spill anything.
Yeah, I mean it's dusty, it's black.
Again, use your funnel, kids. And you will have some spillover. You just push that off to the side.
Don't make a mess.
Yeah, don't make a mess. Your parents will get real mad at you.
Why would you even be making explosives at home? You know better.
You know, we don't. Okay, now that we got our Tannerite, we'll see you when we are putting it in the watermelon.
Yep. Oh, hi there. Glad to see you back. We're gonna carve open a watermelon.
Yep. And we have our adult supervision, our Tannerite, which we're going to stick in the watermelon.
Yep.
Always be careful when doing this, kids.
It's a knife.
We got our piece of watermelon.
That's real good.
Hole is not big enough.
No.
Recutting.
It's a good watermelon. That should be big enough. Yep.
So we got our Tannerite inside of our watermelon. And we will see you when we are shooting the Tannerite.
Boom. Hi, we're back again.
And now that the catalyst and binary explosive are together, when it is hit with a high-powered rifle shell, it will cause an explosive reaction.
Hi, we're back again.
And now that our binary explosive and catalyst are all mixed together, we're going to have Ethan shoot it for us.
Yep. Also, adult supervision is required. as you can see, it blew up.
Well, Ethan, I'd sure hate to be this watermelon.
There's no watermelon left. Well, as you can see, it blew up. The high-power rifle bullet hit the Tannerite and blew up the watermelon. So, the watermelon's gone. Physical change. So is the tin. Well, yeah.
What's left?
Yeah. That's it.